Welcome to our channel. As we know that in the coming months, like in June and July, in our Telugu states, 10th class exams are going to be held. As in the panic conditions, as we teachers providing online videos with a free of cost, so you can utilize these videos and you can get 10 points. As part of this series of videos, today we are going to provide about social studies and the new exam pattern. As we know that in Andhra Pradesh, 16th July, in Andhra Pradesh, 16th July is the date of social studies exam. In this new pattern, the paper is only one paper. Only one paper. Earlier, we know that we have two papers, but at present we have to write only one paper. This paper is for 100 marks. 100 marks. And the time duration is 3 hours 15 minutes. 3 hours 15 minutes. Please mind it. Especially like social, time management is very crucial. In this 3 hours 15 minutes, the 15 minutes is giving for to read and understand the question paper. Only 3 hours you have to use to write 100 marks paper. This is very important in social studies. That is what time management. Right. And now we are going to discuss what is the new exam pattern. Right. The paper is anyhow 100 marks paper, single paper. The time is 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay. In this 100 marks paper, what are there? That we are going to detailed analysis. We are going to provide a detailed analysis on the paper. Right. In this 100 marks paper, there are 4 sections are there. 4 sections are there. Paper is for 100 marks. 4 sections are there. Okay. Right. Now, in section 1, that is first section or section 1. In section 1, there are 12 questions are there. 12 questions are there. Each question carries 1 mark. That is equal to 12 into 1. That is equal to 12 marks. Right. In these 12 questions, the first 6 questions, that is question number 1 to question number 6, are coming from geography and economics. Earlier we used to call paper 1. That is what first 6 questions, that is question number 1 to question number 6, are coming from the geography and economics. That are total lessons are 12 lessons. That is what in 12 lessons 6 1 mark questions are coming. 6 1 mark questions are coming. In first 12 lessons, 6 questions are coming. And next 13 to 22 lessons. In these 10 lessons, the next 6 questions, that are question number 7 to 12. From these 13 to 22nd lessons, that is total 10 lessons, they are going to ask only 6 questions. That is question number 7 to question number 12 is nothing but from 13 to 22nd lessons. Okay. So what we have understood here, just a glance, in social studies, you have to write a 100 marks paper, that is 3 hours 15 minutes time duration. There are 4 sections are there. So in these 4 sections, in this first section, there are 12 questions are there. Each question carries 1 mark, total 12 marks. In that, first 6 questions are coming from geography economics. That means lesson number 1 to 12. That is first 12 lessons, only 6 questions. Okay, first 12 lessons, only 6 questions. And next, lesson number 13 to lesson number 22, they are asking next 6 questions. That is question number 7 to 12. This is what section 1. Okay, before we are going to discuss about the section 2 and the next, so I am reminding you, those who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon to receive latest videos which we are going to provide. Thank you. And once again, the second section, this second section is, or section number 2, consists 2 marks questions. 2 marks questions. How many 2 mark questions are there? Yes, there are 8 questions are there. 8 into 2, that is total 16 marks. Total 16 marks, right? And in these 8 questions, first 4 questions are from geography and economics. That is what lesson number 1 to 12. Right. Next, second 4 questions are from history to civics. That is lesson number 13 to 22. Right. And here in this 8 questions, in this 8 question, from the first 4 questions, they are going to ask one information based question. Information. That is, from the first 4 questions, they are going to ask one information question, and in the second 4 question, another one information question they are going to ask. That is what, in total 8 questions, 2 questions are information based questions. Information based question. Again, just see one more look on the section 2. The section 2 or second section, there are 8 questions are there. Each question carries 2 marks, totally 16 marks. And in these 8 questions, first 4 questions are geography economics, that is lesson number 1 to 12. And the next 4 questions are from history and civics, that are lesson number 13 to 22. In these 8 questions, from the first 4 questions, one question is information question, and second set of 4 questions, one question is information based question. That is what, in total 8 questions, 2 questions are related to information based questions. Dear students, please understand the severity of exam pattern. So without a proper knowledge on the paper, you cannot get a good marks. So if you want to get a good marks, the basic thing is to understand the question paper thoroughly. In which section, what type of questions they are asking, how many sections are there. These complete information and complete analysis if we have, it is very easy to get 10 points. Next, section 3. Section 3. In this section 3, 8 questions are there. Each question carries 4 marks. That is equal to 8 into 4, 32 marks. That is what from the section 3rd or section 3, 32 marks are there. Right. Again, this 8 question, first 4 question are from geography and economics. Next, second 4 question are from history and civics. Okay, now question number 21 to 28 is nothing but section 3. Question number 21 to 28 is section 3. Right. In that 8 questions, the first 4 questions are from geography economics, that is nothing but the lesson number 1 to lesson number 12. And second 4 questions are nothing but from history and civics. Right. In this, as we know, in this 8 questions, from first set 1 is information, and in second set 1 question is information. That is what section 3. Right. Now section 4. Section 4. This is the last section. In this section 4, there are only 5 questions are there. 5 questions are there. Only 5 questions are there. In section 1, there are 12 questions are there. In section 2, 8 questions are there. In section 3, 8 questions are there. In section 4, only 5 questions are there. That is, total number of questions are 33. Total number of questions are 33. Okay. Right. In this section 4, what is one unique point is there about this section 4? What is that? Is in this section there is an internal choice. Internal choice. That is what. So for an example, question number 29. They will ask like A or B. In this A or B, you can write either the A or you can write B. Any one you can write. That is called internal choice. Right. In this total paper, what we have observed in this total paper, only here in the section 4, there is an internal choice. In section 1, section 2, section 3, there are no choices at all. Only in section 4, there is an internal choice. Okay. Alright. In this 5 question, first 4 questions, take as a first 4 questions. In this first 4 questions, 2 questions are from, as we know, as usual, economics and geography. That is what lesson number 1 to 12. That is what first 2 question you have to be right from lesson number 1 to 12. That is what economics and geography. Yes. The next 2 questions are from history and civics. history and civics. That is lesson number 13 to 22. Right. And what is the last question? The last question is nothing but the 33rd question. In this 33rd question, so right, map pointing. This 33rd question is map pointing. Map pointing. In this map pointing, they are first set, they are asking, for an example A, they are asking about India map. In India, they are asking A or B, and world map. That is what question number 33 is map pointing. Question number 33 is map pointing. In this map pointing, India map and world map. These two maps we have to be right. We will discuss about the map point in a one particular video detailed. So don't worry. The glance of this pattern is we have total number of questions are 33. So in the 33 questions, 32 questions are descriptive questions. Only 33rd question is map pointing question. Okay, right. And one more point is that there are no choice, no external choice. Only in section 4, there is an internal choice. There is an internal choice is there. Now, okay, now how much data, how much information we have to provide? This is the $1 billion question. For 1 mark, how many points we should write? For 2 marks, how many points should be write? This is $1 billion question for every student. So here in the new pattern, they are not expecting to write paragraphs and essays. What they are expecting? So the first very most important point is that so they wanted to check whether are you familiar with that are you familiar with that so and so concept or not. The intention of the examiner or paper setter is to check is to test whether you have the content or you have familiarity about the particular concept. Right. So right, that in the coming video, the immediate video, we are going to discuss about how to write answers, how to present the answers. So, and very important information, dear students, till now those who do not subscribe, please subscribe and press the bell icon, and please share this videos to your friends so that this could be help to your friends. And the next important issue is that we are going to provide these videos in the 2 different languages, English as well as Telugu. Thank you.